I'd like to start by saying what a fantastic speech that was, Kaiser. I mean, it's something which we probably all know about inside of us, but we rarely think about, and something we definitely could do with practicing more often. So, a big round of applause for Kaiser. Going to the speech, I think you met all your objectives really well. I'll just iterate through them one by one. So, your speech was very clear. You had a general purpose, the general purpose being that words can heal, and the magical effect of words and how they can go beyond what you would expect and bring about results which are unforeseen and magical in a way. And then you also had a very specific purpose in that you inspired us. You gave us a specific goal that do not speak negative words, always be good to others, speak good words and inspire them and heal them. So there I find you made very good use of the four key things in the speech. You informed us about the effect of words. You persuaded us with your excellent examples. I really liked how you told us the story of the doctor and how there was a terminal patient, and despite being unable to help the patient, the doctor was using his words to help her out. So that was a very good use of persuasion. There were brief pepperings of humor, so that was slight entertainment, I guess. And then you left us inspired with these stories and your quote at the end of going ahead and speaking with others in a way so as to inspire and help them. So that was pretty good in my opinion. Other than that, the message you left for us, that was in the correct perspective and definitely very specific for all of us to follow. So it's an attainable goal, and I guess the audience was inspired enough by you to follow that goal and to attain that. Apart from that, the speech was very well organized. The beginning, where you spoke about how words are first thought, and then you feel emotions, and then you speak them out, and then you moved up smoothly into the examples, and then you had the conclusion. That was very well structured and drawn out. You were overall pretty confident. I mean, I guess there was a bit of nervousness, but then who doesn't? But you carried yourself very well, and the speech was very well delivered, and there was minimal fidgeting. Another thing which I appreciated was there was absolutely no notes, unlike what I'm doing now. So that was very well done as well. In terms of what you could do better next time, perhaps you could focus a bit on the grammar, because I noticed there were some verbs and tense errors, perhaps a bit some prepositions a bit out of touch here and there. So maybe that's something he could work on. And yeah, apart from that, maybe he could also work on a bit of his tone and his intonations and body movements, though that's strictly not part of this speech. But yeah, very well done. Thank you.